Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel Power Query tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain using a Power Query with SQL statement how to join concatenating the SQL Server table columns directly with a select statement and display that column, concatenate column into an Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the first name, last name. These are the two columns have concatenated. They join these two columns directly in the select statement using the Power Query. Now this is the table, empty table. Now let's add new record, edit top 1000 rows 6. The new record I'm adding Ben Kit. So this is the new record I have added. Now switch over to the EMP table, execute. This is a new record I have added. Now switch over to our Excel sheet. We have entered a new record. Now only the first name and last name. Now refresh all. See here, Ben Kit is concatenated directly here. Ben and Kit, the first name and last name.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am creating a new blank workbook. And here we got the new workbook. The workbook name is a book 1. Now my aim is I want to get data from SQL Server table directly to merge the columns directly with the SQL statement and display record, the concatenate column display into my Excel sheet. For that I am using the Power Query. So in order to create a Power Query, first notice there is a menu, data here. Click that one. In the data, new query from database, from SQL Server database. And now here it's asking SQL Server database server name. So first let's connect to my SQL Server database to get the necessary connection strings properties here. Switch over to our SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to my database. This is the server name. First let's copy this server name, connect. After that I'm expanding the databases. For these databases I'm selecting the Charan database. In this Charan database, I am expanding the tables folder. In the tables folder, for this example, I am taking the EMP table. Let's browse the table. Select top 1000 rows. And if you notice in the preview below, we got the results of this EMP table. Right now, this EMP table contains 5 records. EMP ID, first name and last name, 3 columns. Now, my aim is I want to merge directly the first name and last name into a single column, concatenate using the select query, and that concatenate column I want to display in our Excel sheet. First let's copy, paste the server name which we have copied. Second thing, the database name. What is the database name here? The EMP table we have created in the Charan database. So let's add the database name is the Charan, and after that advanced option, open that one. Here we have to write the query. The query is select statement. Select the column name is a first name comma last name. See here the first name and last name I have added, these two columns only I am adding. After that, comma, I'm using the concat method. I want to concat first name, comma, between single quotes, I'm giving some space, hyphen, comma, and last name. I want to merge the first name and last name as full name from the table name. Full name is the alias name for the new column. Concatenate column name is a full name I have given from the table name. What is the table name here? which is the EMP table. Let's add the EMP table. EMP table. That's it. Now let's run this application. Click OK. And here we got the output of our SQL query to concatenate the first name and last name columns using the select statement in a Power Query. So let's load the data. Load to table, existing worksheet. I'm selecting A1 only. Okay. Load. And here the query is loaded successfully. If you notice the first name, last name and full name. Let's check our database here. The first name and last name, Sharon, and last name is a commodity Derek Smith. And these two columns have directly concatenated in our select statement using a Power Query, and we got the results I have loaded in this Excel sheet. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the first name, last name, these are the two columns have concatenated. They join these two columns directly in the select statement using the Power Query. Now this is the table, EMP table. Now let's add new record, edit 1000 rows, 6. The new record I'm adding Ben Kit. So this is the new record I have added. Now switch over to the EMP table, execute. This is a new record I have added. Now switch over to our Excel sheet. We have entered a new record. Now only the first name and last name. Now refresh all. See here, Ben Kit is concatenated directly here. Ben and Kit, the first name and last name. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to merge the columns with a concatenate method inside a select statement directly using a Power Query in Excel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.